Jim's Collinsworth here with a great new product, the automated kitchen knife. Just press the button and like magic, it works. It's magical. Let me just show you here, camera guy. Alright, camera guy, come around here, alright? Alright, just come around here. Okay? Look at this. Look at this right here. Okay? You getting this, camera guy? You getting this? Watch this. Alright? This thing cuts through apples like nobody's business. Look at this, camera guy, okay? Look at this. Look! Straight through! Turn it off. You want to try another time? You think that was a fluke? No. Let's try this. Look. Straight through. No one's business. You see this? Turn it on with the push of a button. It slices right through. Okay? Look, I will chop this apple up into bite-sized pieces. Bite-size. Oh, look, cuts right through the seeds. Look at that. Bite-size. You see this, people? You see this? Bite-sized pieces. Look at this. Okay, camera guy, follow me. Follow me here, camera guy. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Look at this, camera guy. Look at this. Okay. It can even be used to discard dead bodies. You hear this? Dead bodies. Okay? Like no one's business. Okay? Watch this. Oh, man. Oh. Got some blood on me? No problem. No problem. Take a paper towel, okay? Wipes off. Good as new. Good as new. You get some on your clothes. Doesn't matter. Washes off like magic. You know why? Makes such a clean cut. Blood is concentrated, and it comes off like that. That's how much of a clean cut the automated kitchen knife does for you. Okay? Now, for a special, limited time only, I'm giving you this knife for $19.99. $19.99. The original price, $42.99. Do you really want to pay that? No. So you buy this right now, and you will get it for easy payment, one easy payment of $19.99. Order now. That number is 1-800-249-6732. Jim Collinsworth signing out.